hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. Alright, before I rip this thing completely apart, I'll show you what it's doing. Or actually what it's not doing. I'm going to plug it in right now. And here's the top of it. No power. Nothing's lighting up. This is why I'm tearing it apart, to hit the reset on the heating element. Alright, this is my dad's Keurig. And I just did a D-scale, and now I can't get it to turn on. There's a thermostat that's internal. I already seen it on YouTube. Then I'm gonna reset 4 screws I took off are here, 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 and here. These two had these little rubber protectors in there. I had to pop those out with a screwdriver. I just popped 4 of the screws off. You don't need to take these 2 off. And now I gotta pry this thing open and then reset the thermostat. So, and I didn't intend on doing this today, but that's what happens. I'm supposed to get behind this piece first, start trying not to break stuff. It's just easier said than done. Just using a putty knife. I don't have pry tools. This is always the good part. Yep. Where things happen that aren't supposed to happen. And I always turn the video off when I struggle, but I'm going to leave this one rolling. Got one side. Just playing with those Legos back when I was a kid worked. That's off. Of course, you got to take the whole thing apart. That's the inside. And I don't see this thermostat, which means I have to take the sides off. Supposedly, I'm just supposed to take a screwdriver and pull this clip off. It still isn't working. Oh, there we go. That worked. Now I'm supposed to be able to pull these other clips off to get to where I need to get. Kind of see me working here, working that off. I'll change the angle of the camera. Wonder if I'm supposed to pull that top piece off. Probably. I was supposed to take the top piece off too, without breaking it. I can't tell how that's clipped. So I just separated that. You're not supposed to take this whole thing apart, but you can if you want to. I just need to get to the heating element. So I haven't broken anything yet, which is good. And the heating element is right in there. You can see it. It's got the tubing strapped around it. And there's supposed to be a reset. I can see it. Spot. There comes the tricky part. Let's get my fingers in there to reset this bitch. Hey, Finn. Paper clip, old school, and I gotta grab my flashlight because my eyes are bad. So I'll be right back. Well, here comes the magic, if this is gonna work. Landed? Hmm?
No.
No. I don't hear anything click. Let me try again. There we go. Oh, I can feel it going in and out. It's like a spring.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now let's do the test. Which is back on the plug. Supposedly that's supposed to reset it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Take this plug. Hey, we got power.
Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out.
So that worked. Now all I have to do is put it back together. Thank you, lovely camera assistant. So we overheated this thing, and then we just reset it, and it worked. That is a win. So putting this back together is going to be just like taking it apart, which I'll do this and fast forward it. Good thing I had an erector set when I was a kid. Keurig, get a shot at the top. I don't know what model this is. I'll do a thumbnail. Please hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out. And thanks for watching.